Here's a useful fact concerning invertible matrices. If A and B are n by n matrices and their product is invertible, then those individual matrices A and B must also be invertible. So an invertible product must be made up of invertible factors. We'll prove this in today's linear algebra lesson. Our proof will rely on this equivalence, which we've previously proven. Link in the description. A matrix A is invertible if and only if the homogeneous linear system, AX equals 0, has only the trivial solution. So we'll use this for our proof. Let's begin. We'll begin by showing that B is invertible, by showing that the homogeneous linear system Bx equals 0 has only the trivial solution. To that end, let x naught be a solution of Bx equals 0. We will show that Bx equals 0 has only the trivial solution by showing that this matrix x naught, this arbitrarily taken solution of Bx equals 0, we're going to show that x naught must be 0 by showing that it's a solution to the linear system a, b, x equals 0. We know that this system has only the trivial solution because we know that AB is invertible. That's assumed. Now, we know that A times B times x naught equals A times Bx naught. And Bx naught, we know, is 0 because we took x naught to be a solution of this system, Bx equals 0. Thus, AB times x naught equals A times 0, which is 0. Thus, x naught is a solution of the homogeneous linear system, ABX equals 0, and since AB is invertible, that implies that x naught must be the trivial solution. It must be the 0 vector. Since we've shown that this arbitrary solution of Bx equals 0 is equal to 0, Bx equals 0 has only the trivial solution. Thus, B is invertible. Now, since we've shown that this arbitrary solution of Bx equals 0 is 0, it must be that Bx equals 0 has only the trivial solution. But having only the trivial solution means that B must be invertible. Okay, so we're halfway there. We want to show that A and B are both invertible. We've shown that B is invertible. Now we just have to show that A is invertible. And we can show A is invertible because we know that a product of invertible matrices is invertible. Link in the description to the lesson where we prove that. And so we can express A as a product of invertible matrices to show that A must be invertible. Certainly, A is equal to A times B inverse, since B inverse is just the identity. And of course, we are at liberty to take B inverse because we just proved that B is invertible. But then, since matrix multiplication is associative, A times B inverse is the same as A times B inverse. But then we've shown that A equals this product of invertible matrices. AB we know is invertible because that was part of our hypothesis, and B inverse is invertible because, of course, its inverse is just B. Since A equals a product of invertible matrices, A is also invertible. Hence, if a product of two matrices is invertible, then the individual matrices in the product are also invertible. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists in the description for more.